Terpenes define the aroma of cannabis flower, providing distinct scents like citrus, pine, earthy, and fruity notes. While THC and CBD get attention, terpenes largely shape cannabis aroma profiles. Maintaining terpene integrity is vital for growers and enthusiasts. Terpenes are organic compounds found in many plants, contributing to the aroma of herbs and fruits. In cannabis, terpenes form in resin glands, creating unique scents for each strain. When describing cannabis smell, you're often referring to terpenes. Each terpene has unique characteristics. Some smell citrusy, others earthy or floral. The combined scent of cannabis relies on these aromatic compounds. Stronger terpene levels create complex, noticeable scents in buds. Terpenes are volatile and can degrade or evaporate under certain conditions. Drying, curing, and storage can affect terpene retention and quality. Growers may use terpene spray to enhance or restore cannabis aroma. Terp spray, made from botanical extracts, enhances the scent of cannabis buds. Balanced application is crucial. Oversaturation can mask the aroma. Precision application with a terpene spray machine ensures effective distribution. The Spray Master by Terps USA atomizes terp spray evenly, preserving bud structure. If you want to enhance cannabis aroma, check out terp spray options here. https://terpesusa.com/collections/terp spray list. For application using the Spray Master, learn more here. terpesusa.com/products Terps USA Spray Master. Key takeaway: terpenes shape cannabis scent. Preserving their integrity is essential, and terp spray can enhance bud aroma.